Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Thulium 200M MIG welder. If the spatter and welding effect is not satisfactory, you can fine-tune the voltage. This Thulium MIG metal inert gas welding, also known as gas metal arc welding, is generally accepted as the easiest type of welding to learn. Thulium is here to help you get the job done. Equipped with a powerful cooling fan to aid in the disposal of heat. Automatic thermal overload protection is included into inner. With the aid of a power adapter cord, 110 volts home electricity can be connected to a 220 volts source of power. Precise data for the welding parameter is already present. For novice welders, it will make things much simpler by selecting the necessary voltage, amperage, and feeding speed based on welder data. This strong machine milled up to 5/32 inch plate can be mildly welded with an output current of up to 200 A. Sufficient to apply to wire rolls weighing 2 and 10 pounds. Able to feed. Solid core wire measures 0.30 and flux core wire measures 0.035. Built-in heavy-duty metal wire feeder. It is appropriate for gas MIG, flux MIG, lift TIG, and MMA. Our second best MIG welder is YesWelder MIG 250 MIG welder. Welding aluminum is challenging because although the metal is comparatively soft, it absorbs heat quickly, which means it's difficult to keep hot. The powerful YesWelder MIG 250 Pro provides an effective solution. It offers both gas and flux core modes, and it can weld an impressive half-inch of mild steel. While the manufacturer doesn't supply an exact figure for welding aluminum, it's likely around 3/8 inch. Moreover, the 60% duty cycle at full power is outstanding. However, this model requires a 220 volt supply, though it uses inverter technology to keep energy consumption as low as possible. The YesWelder MIG 250 Pro also offers TIG and stick capability, though the TIG torch is extra. Its wire feed speed is between 79 and 590 IPM. It weighs 34 pounds. It's designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Azuno 200A MIG welder. This welding equipment has 4 different welding modes that are appropriate for MMA, lift TIG, flux MIG, and gas MIG. Synergic adjustment function is simple to use even for beginners. Use it without hesitation. It is very safe and equipped with an overload and overheating system. TIG torch for WP17V is available. It is not included in the box. It can weld stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper and other color metal. It can apply to electrode of different specifications and materials, including acidity, alkylescence, and fiber. The welding power source can offer stronger, quicker and more stable arc. Adjusting the amperage or choosing different wire thicknesses, the voltage and wire feeding speed will automatically change. Safety, automatic protection function for overcurrent, over voltage and overheating. Number 4 on our side is VivoHome MIG welder. This welding machine is particularly well suited for projects of mild steel and stainless steel. It delivers a professional finish for any thin steel welding or auto body work you may need, being powerful and efficient. The VivoHome may not be the most versatile MIG welder, but its low cost and simplicity may make it an appealing option for those who would rather buy a tool for occasional use than pay a contractor. This is a flux core MIG, giving it the ability to weld outdoors, and it runs on a standard 110 volt supply. Its controls are basic but straightforward. Its maximum weld thickness is 3/16 inch in steel, but it cannot weld aluminum. At only 36 pounds, the VivoHome MIG 130 is portable, and of course, it doesn't need a gas bottle. While we have some doubts about its long-term durability, owner feedback is largely positive. Due to its strength and efficiency, this welding equipment is particularly well suited for projects involving mild steel and stainless steel. It provides a professional finish for any necessary thin steel welding or auto body work. Adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for properly regulated flux cord welding of thin steel, stainless or aluminum sheet metal, or even thicker steel, using the VivoHome MIG Welders 4X current flow settings. Lightweight and compact design, with a comfortable hand grip that makes it easy to carry wherever you want. It only weighs 34.6 pounds, so you can effortlessly take it as far as you can. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best MIG welder list is VivoHome MIG Welder. The VivoHome MIG Welder is capable of welding up to alloy, mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, copper, and cast iron. It can work well with solid wire and flux cord wire. It also has the TIG torch and stick function to weld steel and stainless steel perfectly. The handy flux cord wire used in this wire feed welder releases metal inert gas during welding to prevent weldment oxidation. A top-notch integrated wire feeder that guarantees easy wire feeding. The IGBT and inverter technology of this 3-in-1 welder has the characteristics of stable arc, small splash, anti-interference, firm thrust, and stable performance. It is simple and easy to operate, which is very suitable for beginners and professionals. Lightweight and compact design with a comfortable handle, you can effortlessly take it to the farthest place. Only weighs 28.7 pounds, it is very convenient to use anytime, anywhere as needed. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.